Introducing Reliable Auto Repair. We have serviced Wyoming, Pennsylvania since 2013. We are an auto repair shop that works on general repair, tune-ups, motors, and tires. We also offer brakes, transmissions, air conditioning, and more. Family owned, we are associated with the Better Business Bureau and offer free estimates. For more info, visit ReliableAutoRepairNEPA.com or call 570-613-9111.